What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are still, if you are watching the last video, we are still in the same place, but this is a totally different video. Welcome back. My name is Mr. Bet. Thank you for watching the last video, and thank you for clicking to this video. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for the support. Now, today is another special day. Um, very special day in a way that I'm going to tell you or I'm going to show you. But before that, I want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for the support. Thank you for joining this family. If you are not joined, please be sure to be part of this family. A great family. We are going far. Always positive vibes only. Positive vibes only. Okay, no negativity here. So let's go straight to the point. And as per the title you have seen, uh, we have a gift, first ever gift from USA. Thank you for who made this possible. Uh, I really appreciate. I don't want to mention your name. You know yourself, and I appreciate. I'm very thankful. Okay. Yes. I don't want to talk much about it because I'm super excited. Now we are going to unbox the gift here. Okay. Stay tuned. Yes. Hello guys. Welcome back. And as I told you, we have a very special gift for me from my supporter from the US, and I really appreciate and I'm very thankful. So let's go straight to the gift here. What's up? So this is from online online market. I don't know, online shopping. Yes, from Jumia. It's called Jumia. They do deliveries, and I just received this one. It's brand new. The receipt is here. So we wanna be unboxing and see what is inside. Okay. So let's open. Come closer. Come closer, please. Come closer. We are unboxing, guys. Guess what it is? Guess one, two, three. Wow. Techno Spark 20. So we have this one, and we have this one. They said the two are free gift, but I know they're not free. They put all the price together. And, we wanna be unboxing. Which one can we start with? Phone, of course, phone. Let's start with this one. Unboxing the gift from the US for the first time. From the USA. Slowly. So you see, it's sealed, brand new. is taking a lot of time. Yes. I'm trying to save time. Eh? Don't wanna waste a lot of time unboxing, but also we have the time with us. Bro, what's wrong? Oh, see it here. Yes. That is it. Hey, brand new guys. So we have the phone, and you can see the specs. We have 50 MB clear camera, 32 MB close selfie. Oh, this is for selfie, and this one is for the rear camera. Then we have battery capacity is 5,000 mAh large, 18 watts fast charge, stereo, dual speaker, DTS sound validation, and blah blah blah. So let me just try to make sure that everything is here. You don't want to be happy and get sad later. 12 plus 1 warranty. We have the charger cable, and we have the earphones, very smart earphones, and we have Techno charger, and we have this one for putting the SIM card. So we have seen everything is in order. The phone is brand new. We can open. We see how it is, and I just should go this way. Slowly, slow by slow, slowly by slowly. Techno. This is Techno Spark 20, guys. Uh, it's really very smart. I like it. I think Techno company, uh, they are really improving day by day. If you look at the other Sparks, like Spark 7, Spark 8, it's very different. So we're gonna be setting, but before that, let's unbox the free kit. In what? I know they are not free. Okay, the way they indicate it's free kit from the receipt, but I know the price is included. So if you look at this one from the outside, it's a smartwatch, smart bracelet. It's a watch. So we have the smartwatch. Wow. Digital. I think this is for chatting. And how is it? Should be like this, right? No. Yes, no. No. It's not like that. We are careful not to damage anything here. We'll try to fix that later. Let's unbox this one. These are the earbuds. TWS. Wow, 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 wow. So we have this one. See? See light? Yes. So we have earbud and we have earphones. We have earphones right here. So guys, you have seen everything. I've unboxed. You have seen. It's not something that someone can say it's not brand new. You have seen it for yourself. I've unboxed. So we're gonna be judging this one and also setting. Or we can just judge and we set later. Because I usually know that when you buy phone for the first time, it's always advisable for you to charge fast until it's full before you start using it. Right or wrong? Type there in the comment section and region. Let me show you. Uh, Tell me in the comment section what do you think about new phone. Are you supposed to use it with a charge that comes with, or you charge fast? So select your country, region. Of course, Kenya. Kenya, of course, right here. Click next. Insert SIM, skip. Wi-Fi, skip. Read and agree, next. Google services, accept. Fingerprint, skip. 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 Sit gesture pattern, gesture, of course. Skip. Next. Ready, ready, ready. Guys, we are going to test even the quality of the camera. That is it. It's very, very clear. Wow! 100%. 100%. We go to video. We are already filming another video right there. The goodness of this is you can shift well. Oh, it cannot. Okay. So you have seen for yourself. It's very clear. The camera is so nice, and it's good. So we are going to charge fast before we even start using, and it's gonna be nice. So guys, hope you have enjoyed unboxing with me the gift from the USA, and I love it. I'm very thankful. And how do you say thank you in Spanish? Thank you. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Hola. ¿Cómo estás? How are you doing? Is it ¿Cómo estás is how you doing? I don't know. But I'm learning Spanish bit by bit. So guys, I think I will end the video from there. I'm very thankful. And, thank you very much. Let me end the video there. It was just a brief unboxing of the gift, and I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.